In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an app for easier access in Miro. Let's start by opening any Miro board. It doesn't matter which one you choose. The process is the same across all. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Here, look for the Tools icon, a small plus sign that's neatly positioned for easy visibility. Clicking this icon will open up a menu where you can find various tools and apps. Now, in this menu, there's a search bar specifically designed to help you find the app you want to pin. Let's say you frequently use the Wireframes app or perhaps the Google Images app, which are excellent tools for creating and enhancing your boards. Type the name of the app in the search bar, and you should see it pop up in the list below. Once you see the app you're searching for in this app's panel, you'll notice a small pin icon next to its name. This pin serves the exact purpose we're looking for today. Give that pin icon a click, and just like that, the app is permanently attached to your toolbar. This means it'll always be there when you need it, offering quick, one-click access whenever you're working on a project. But what if you decide that you no longer need it pinned, or your workflow changes? Unpinning the app is just as simple and straightforward. You have a couple of options here. One option is to right-click directly on the app icon within your toolbar. This will bring up a menu where you can select Unpin. Alternatively, you can reopen the Apps panel the same way you did earlier. Once open, just toggle off the pin icon next to the app's name, and it will be removed from your toolbar. By pinning apps to your Miro board's toolbar, you secure immediate access to the tools you use most frequently, streamlining your process and making your workflow more efficient. This feature is a real time saver, helping keep you organized and allowing you to maintain a seamless working experience. It's all about enhancing productivity and convenience by keeping important resources at the forefront of your board setup. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, having your go-to apps just a click away makes a world of difference. So, take a moment to consider which apps you use most, and follow these simple steps to personalize your toolbar for maximum efficiency. As with most things in Miro, customization is key, allowing you to tailor your workspace to best fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Miro experience.